Hi friends, welcome to the biggest IKEA store in the world. Yes, it's not in Sweden, it's not in any other European country or Asian country, but right here in the heart of Philippines, Metro Manila is located the world's largest IKEA store. And in this video, I'm going to take you to an unique experience of IKEA Metro Manila. As the first ever IKEA in the country, this massive 65,000 square meter store offers everything from furniture to home essentials. Let's dive into my visit and explore what makes this place so special. Located in the heart of Pasay City in Manila, this is a shopper's paradise and it's hard to miss. The IKEA store in Manila opened its doors in November 2021 and it quickly became a must-visit destination for anyone looking to furnish their home with style and affordability. As you enter, you are immediately greeted with the signature IKEA layout, a maze of beautifully designed showrooms, and an endless variety of products. From living rooms to kitchens, bedrooms to bathrooms, the store has it all. There is a vibrant and thriving bistro and bakery section right in front of the main ticketing counter. Do pick up some fresh bakery products from this section. Prices in IKEA Manila are incredibly competitive, especially for the quality. A sleek and modern sofa can range from 6,000 to 18,000 pesos, while a simple yet stylish coffee table could be yours for just 2,000 pesos. So whether you are decorating a small apartment or an entire house, you're sure to find something that fits your budget. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, IKEA's kitchen section is packed with everything you need. Cabinets, counterparts, and storage solutions start from as low as 3,000 pesos, while premium ranges can go up to 30,000 pesos, depending on the style and materials. It's all about getting value for money without compromising on quality. One thing IKEA is known for is its clever storage solutions. If you're short on space, you'll find everything from multifunctional furniture to smart shaving options starting as low as 1,000 pesos. There are also a ton of little accessories that make life easier, like drawer organizers, desk lamps for prices as low as 100 pesos. Please do keep sufficient time in hand to explore its furniture section, its kitchen section. There is a wide variety of furniture and kitchen appliances on display and sale here. I was really impressed with the section on trees, plants and gardening and terrace gardening and landscaping. There's no dearth of products which start as low as 200 pesos in this section. Come and grab the one you want. There were also artificial as well as natural organic plants for sale in this section. This beautiful lamp was selling for as low as 250 pesos. With over 8,000 products to choose from, it's no surprise that the IKEA store in Manila can get really busy, especially on weekends and festive period. But the checkout process is efficient with options for home delivery if you don't want to haul everything yourself. So, whether you're furnishing an entire home or just picking up a few essentials for your apartment, the IKEA store in Manila offers something for everyone. With its affordable pricing, stylish designs, convenient location, and absolutely incredible quality, it's a one-stop shop for all your home needs. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. I also did to buy a decent amount of kitchenware and appliances for my home back in Kolkata, but I was wary of not being overwhelming because I had to keep in mind the luggage limit. I was interested in this particular section because the trees and plants for home gardening and terrace gardening were really impressive. So friends, that's a wrap on my visit to the largest IKEA store in the world. I hope this gives you a taste of what you can expect when you come here. If you are in Manila or planning to visit Philippines, definitely come to IKEA Manila. And of course, don't forget to explore the Mall of Asia, which lies adjacent to the IKEA store. So please do keep sufficient amount of time in hand to explore IKEA Center as well as the Mall of Asia when you are coming to Manila, Philippines for shopping.